Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to mute Discord on OBS. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Discord and click on user settings and scroll down to the left hand side and click on streamer mode and make sure it's enabled, and all you have to need toggle on disable sounds, and you can also disable notification. So for that, toggle on this option. And now open your OBS Studio and check the audio mixer panel. In the list of audio outputs shown, locate the one from Discord. You have most likely named this Discord or a similar term when connecting as given above. You should see a slider below the audio source. This is used to adjust the volume. So all you have to do is just drag the slider to the extreme left to the mute Discord audio on OBS. And that's how you can mute Discord on OBS. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.